With females now, when I get to understand, you see if you're not post bricks, you're not post a big car them, it's like you can't get them. Only treasure I come like me slap that one up on the hammer, man. So, you don't know what I say. You don't know so me meet that girl and no lady. No, me not have enough tops. Shot, run it up, got 20.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many, one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the song. No, play the song.
So before we get into the video, people more to introduce me to this new class, you know what I mean, this Forex trading class that you could take. You could take a quick a course, a small coaching, you know, quick 2-day workshop, teach you how to trade the Forex market and make some money. Okay, so if you have a 9 to 5 and it's not working out properly, you could take a coaching and invest some of your money. You could learn, and because it all takes risk management, you know. So I want to go over to the TikTok page. It's called Net AdSense, and also you have an Instagram for it, Net AdSense. You know what I mean? You can learn to trade the Forex market and make some money. You know. It's the first time I've introduced this to anybody, and I think I should, you know, let y'all know, because people out here, I know people out here have a 9 to 5, and that they would like to, you know, upgrade their income to a different level and start a business, probably quit their job soon and make something out of life. You know what I mean? So just check the Instagram and the TikTok, and from there you could shot them a DM, text them a message, and they'll respond to you. You know what I mean? So make we tap into the video right now.
Like, this girl I never hear about me. I hear about Mr. Figure we teach Gallis class. You see me? So boom, ladies, you don't know my style. Me is not a man who post money and all of that fuckery there. Once in a while when I feel like I want to do a little thing now and then. So me post a 1 brick. My brick then different. I don't post no 100,000 and no money that. When you see me I post money video millions of dollars up. You see me? Why me do it? I don't know. Sometimes I just idle and do it. So, with females now, when I get to understand, you see if you're not post bricks, you're not post a big car them, it's like you can't get them. Only treasure I come like me slap that one up on the hammer, man. So, you don't know what I say. You don't know so me meet that girl and no lady. No, me not have enough tops. Chat, run it up, got 20,000 tops to me there quick. 20k tops. Me know like, no, me can't do no that, ladies. A 10k tops me ask her, man. Me can't pressure on so me just start. 10k tops. Come on, work together everybody upon the life. When I come off, I gotta do me here. From 3k to 20k. You fuck for know them can do it. When story time I chat, and I'm not normal, 20k tops at least. Cause we are gonna write up back to 100,000 tops. And my team at work, man. Debs, you the sister here? Nothing wrong with that, man, queen. Big up. Debs, may I beg you one of them glasses before you go left, my babes. I think I reach on the ranking already, and thanks to only treasure. Yeah, man, I'm supposed to dip on it. I have 50. Big up here, treasure. Appreciate it. 7k, we almost reach 10. So too nice. I can't borrow 2 glasses from here till later to baby. Just 2 of them I borrow. Tell me you want me pay back. You want it in a 1 cocky loan or you want me pay back? Yo, I behave myself, I like it. Blessings. Big up yourself, here darling. Debs, thank you, here princess. Watch him no pure drama. Life too short for you not look a drama in you. Yeah? So girls, me always been the type of man the way. Me not afraid for approach woman. You see once me see her me like you, me a step cross. Only checha. Big up yourself. Moderators, when you can do me a favor and pin the girl in a chat for me there. Diddy. You saw your name on TikTok? Your name Diddy. Come on for my life. Cause you're half a faggot. Alisa, that is it man. Block them. Your name Diddy and you're coming for my life. You what? Come off now man. You know see a woman me there over here chat. You don't want two girls. Sometimes I don't know I want two no man you know. You know so much girl there in a midfield and no one can chat to me. For what? You know say if me never known on TikTok and me was one of who was scroll and me go up on a man page where me see a bait woman over there, you know what me I do? Jesus Christ, too nice. Pick up yourself, you know. I tell you exactly what me I do. Me I go in the comment section and try to look as much pum pum as me can get. You see me? Sometimes I don't understand the morals, bro. When I see woman, the woman them pretty like money. I don't want to chat to me. I don't want to chat to me. And the woman them in my life are pretty like money. I don't have to batty boy, you know see that? I don't have to faggot. Sometimes I don't understand the morals, bro. Get to yourself together, dog. You don't come about me for. Chat to your girl them, bro. The amount of pum pum there, I can't even count. How the day I chat to me? Jano dog, I don't want help. Serious help. So anyways, ladies, why am I not too date young girls or young guys? Because I realize that them not too have their head on them body. So boom. There was a club where me used to love when you make Mecca. Zane, my dog invite me say yo, I go hit the club in about here I go on now ladies. Me is the type of man, me not show off, you know. I kinda calm see. So the dog I say, yo bro, I have two girls we are go to and thinking about Ray, Tete. So I say, what, you want to drive the car? Him say, yeah. So ladies, bear in mind, I last year it go on, I have a Jaguar them time there. I give the dog my car for drive and thing. You see, so him go pick up the girl. Him a tell me if you come out of my own front seat. Me don't mind. You pick up your girl and thing, me understand. Come out of your front seat, your girl sit down in your front seat. Cause you drive. See what I say? You know a girl pitness stay now. She come and see me in the back seat. I told them, you know. She come and see me in the back seat. This girl start skin up her face like she smells shit. Why females stay so? I don't know. And you see how things go them easy for trick, you know. Because in a fear of mine, I the dog Jaguar. I mean, I just the little friend we a tag along. We don't two have nothing. I just a tag along. Babes, I know everything on the see one of you believe sometime. I hear? Not even good night, the girl not tell me she see me in the back seat. Nothing more than she a pray like that you go to one low life. I'm just in a youth car so and a film car, you know. I tell you when I reach the conclusion say, I saw them a pray. You see look one around her back? I stay so I try chat to her. Chat, a girl act like me don't exist. One thing with me, I'm not afraid for chat when girl curve me, you know. A girl curve me so bad way, I could have just drop down right there so I did. I did reach close and I see she go over like she itch up in her door. That's my sign, so she don't want me near her. And you know what the most fucked up thing about it, gang? Me clean a bumper clot, you know. Clean to the bone. I don't know when me address and how me go out, how me deal with my thing. Me clean to the bone. Like right down to the bone. You see me? I don't know what beer design I me wear when me go. So I saw me do my thing. You try to talk to your girl, the girl now meets me. You see what I say? So anyways, we reach a club now one thing. My brother didn't even have money for buy liquor. So, what I rate to him to do? Because you know we have a rule when it comes on to girls thing. Rule number 1, don't ask a woman where she a drink if you don't have money. She not gonna say white rum. She not gonna say VX. The first thing she gonna say, I'm one buckle of NEC. Or she gonna ask what you call that? Somebody name that liquor there for me now. So you know say if you're low budget certain way, you don't ask a girl what she want to drink, bro. You just go buy some rum. She will drink it. You see me? Remy. The dog asks the girl what she want to drink. The friend jump up. I'm a buckle of NEC. See me? Him want film thing look tough, you know. That's why I stop your friend props and bly again, you know. Him want film thing look tough. Over there tell the girl say yo. If a NEC alone she want. What you want with you know them over there and make orders and all of that. So when him come over to me, you know, He must say, yo, bro, and you see girl instead of my drink, you know. Ladies, me love a fuckery. Sometimes I make a piece of food just for the experiment. Me love a fuckery. Me I tell you, let me take out my glasses. Me love a fuckery. Me no mind. You see me? All women know them girls are not interested in me I go on with fuckery because me live for it. Okay. He come to me and say, dog, I see something girl them say they want, you know, what you go do? I stay so boom and I say, for that them want, man, a simple thing. I say, alright then, me I go over go buy. No, give me your money. I say, no, does it matter who buy the liquor, bro? Me know, man, bro, just let me deal with it now. So him tell the girl them say, him a buy it, you know, him no want them see me I go over there go buy it cause him want fame thing look tough. That's why me not have friend, me not keep friend again. Just my brother and my best friend. You see what me I say? Yeah, me not keep friend again cause friend with style you know, bro. Him say him want go do it and thing ladies. Me count out the money and give him. This man a call me way in one corner for count out the money and give him. At the time me not pre nothing about it. And I say, yo, you know so you try set me up. You see me? So me give him the money and thing now. Me did it. And me stand up and me watch the prayer and thing and buy the back line and thing and come on. When you reach on the table chat, yeah, you know say me have a look of style as me silica me now wait. What me I wait about? And my money buy me I take it up and bust it. When me take up the back line and see, and me look on the girl, me take out my glasses. See her face, yeah? And me see she whisper to him like she say, why is the liquor by your friend and take it up and I pull it? Your hero girl face it. Your hero girl put in face it. You said me take up the back of liquor. Home girl look for me and scrub her face like she smell shit, you know. Like she say, as the rum buy him just I take it up and I know how it buy. Me as a man me catch on pan things quick. So when I see that, me I say, oh. Okay. I'm gonna pull it. Show some pa me watch for spite. My ear she open her mouth. Me can't do that with the liquor, tete. I say, my girl, you want the next buckle? How you think bite? She said, what you talk about? And my boyfriend bite you shoot. I look at her and skin up back my face and I smashed. I say, you stinky. You man know anything buy? I feel me money by this. When she look at me, she still not believe me. She got ask her boyfriend for verification. When she asks him, hear him, yo, mama, be a thing you go out with the dog. Right, I say, oi. Tap your fuckery, yeah? Tap your shit. You see me? When she did that, she make up her face same way, ladies. Me as a man, me don't brag for a woman, but she don't get too carried away. And as man, you have to protect your dignity. Me always tell her that. Soul flower, you smell shit? Where you make up your face for? You know like hearing me talk good, dog. Allow me. Okay. Hear me I say now, ladies. As a man, we have to understand, so we have to stand up for with dignity. We can't drop lower than where we have to go. You see me? We don't have to stand up for what we stand for. And some man not understand them things. Some man get some hot girl and try to bring them down, bro. You see me? Them man they weak. As a real G, you have to stand up for yourself. You can't have your dog, bro. And you small on your dog thing in order to tough up for your thing. And a bro code go. And a bro code go none tall. And some of say on a G and not understand bro code. You see me? Bros before hoes. I saw your badness always set. And when you come on to woman, females before bros. Just the same. You see it? So there is no way you can bring down your dog in order to impress another female when I go there forever. When you diss a dog and think, who I go there? Now your dog. You have to know them things. So why me get mad? Because you see a girl in chat. Let me tell you now, Mr. Steve. You know how much time I bring girl come around my friend them. And me I tell you say the top of the toppest girl them. I make them about this none of my dog them and you see it go me. This that. Where you diss him for? Me like girls that are down to earth. Me not like woman who move hypey-typey. No, me not like that. You see me? Remember me a star to you, baby. You see me? And sometimes I hear for bigger star for uno and I move like uno and smarty. Me not like that, bro. Me like girls that are down to earth. You see me? Girl when I watch no face, bro. Me carry up on a black Evie for board house. I want to hear man a normal pray. You see me? You see some of my dog them when I do as good as me. No look down upon them. You see you love me, I have to respect my people them too. Cause anybody you introduce to me, I have to respect them. I just the level of life, bro. You see what I say? So even though I gimmicks me attack, I want to understand reality at the same time. You can't bring down your real killer them or your real friends them for somebody where you just know. And madness that. Madness that, bro. So, a dog see girl did that diss me. He man not say nothing. So that's why I start kill up back myself now because I have to protect my dignity. You see a girl look for me and I tell me to put down anything back. Like, you know I'm in a roll some. Because I don't like embarrassment in a ladies. Me as a man when I go to a party, I not even like put money together and buy liquor. You see if I broke, I stay at my yard. I saw me stay. If I broke, I turn at my yard. I not even like put to buy, because to me, attacking is that. I reach a road and that I want to drink, and that I buy, because that I work for. You see what I say? So I saw me road. You see me take up a bottle of liquor in a party. You see one girl I make up her face and I say, yo, I for put down the bottle. You know say nothing. And I my money buy. And she gonna make all the remarks say, yo, that's why I not go to a party with low life people. You see when she said that? Pussy clot. Me cheap. I say, oh, my dad, give me back my car key. I say, give me back my car key. See her? Babe, so what talk about? I can't get Jaguar. I say, oh. So you tell her, say, Jaguar a Fiat. Oh! Okay. So that's a go on. She said, babe, so what talk about Riri, Tete? I said, oh, give me my blood clot car key and I got my yard. She said, babe, so film car for you? If they there and him stop, I want to take off my glasses, you know, because I'm not run no joke, you know. And they there, and him stamp. Yo, bro, I saw you did stay. I said, oh, my dad, give me back my key. Give me back my fucking key. Watch you know? When you stay here, with yourself. I'm at the fuck when you take a lyrics and liquor too. Give me my car key and I got me yard. Chat, take my car key from her face. Chop! I'm a dog shit, you know. I'm a nice person. Me's a Taurus. I'm a nice guy until I get by my dark side. Yeah. I'm a nice, yo, me the sweetest guy ever. But cross me. Me the sweetest guy ever. But cross me. Me a father now, man. But cross me. Me the sweetest dog ever. And the realest friend ever. But cross me. And you see it go. Cross me. Me are the most genuine person for have as a friend. But cross me. And you see it go. I turn your worst enemy overnight. Chat. Them tops say now work out a 500 down there for my life. What I do? Ramp? You mad man. Me I go end my life and go to my bed. I want 50k tops for continue that story time. I can't reach nowhere. I want 50k tops for continue this because we not reach nowhere. Everybody where they on the live and you follow my page chat. My content is story time based off experience. I teach you. That's my content. So if you're new, you want to learn two things and you want to learn how to deal with woman and treat a lady better, this is a place for you, yeah? We don't support fuckery, we don't do mix up, strictly experience. Don't. Alright, we need 20k more. Everybody put up the screen. We can reach 50k tops, you know, for work together. If you know where I'm going, just put up, man. I'm not killing us still. Normal criminal. Normal pre man. No, I'm leaving on just 50k tops. Come on my side and work together. You know so if you stop it, when you tap it, you know. Most of them don't want to tap the screen and not move like you know a smaddy. You know a smaddy man? How would they entertain you know? You know what I mean? Tap up the screen man and tap on the fuckery. What are the taps getting you? That not nothing to do with you. Just shut your mouth and tap the screen. If you don't want there, come off. I'm there teaching a story time. I'm sick. I stand up on my foot. Tapping the screen at the least. It not cost you no $1. It free. You fuck.